Hey, what's up guys, it's Marlakani here. Welcome back to another Java tutorial. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to write a Java program to check whether the given integers are multiple of 5. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we must import the scanner. So in order to import the scanner, we gotta write import java.util.scanner. And if you still don't know what's a scanner, like if you don't know, I mean, what a scanner is, then you can uh, go ahead and click down on the link down in the description below. Alright, so import java.util.scanner. So let me just make this a comment to avoid any like future errors, you know what I mean. Alright, now let's start with the scanner. So scanner, like I don't know, what should I name it? Scan is equals to new scanner system system dot in is equals to new scan. Oh, sorry, is equals to new scanner system dot in. So yeah, and then we're gonna be asking the user system.out.println system.out.println, and then obviously let's add the parentheses and then the semicolon, and then I'm gonna be writing enter first number, because look, when you read it properly, it's saying to check whether the given integers, not integers, like not integer, I mean, not integer, it's integers, are a multiple of 5. So enter one number, I mean first number, sorry, first number, and then we're gonna be writing uh, int scan, oh, I mean scan, wait a minute, oh yeah, sorry. So basically we're just gonna be writing int num. So yeah, num is equals to scan dot next int. So basically this is gonna allow the user to type the first number, and then obviously we have integers, not integers, so we gotta type another of it. And obviously to avoid wasting time and type it again, let's just copy paste it. Alright, now we just gotta change this second, enter second number, and then obviously we gotta change it, the variable name too, or else, because you know there's gonna be an error since like duplicate local variable num. So in order to avoid this, we're just gonna be naming it num2. Alright, now let's proceed to the next step. Now in order to check whether the given integers are multiple of 5, so these integers that like for example, if we type in here like 5, and then, or I mean 10, and then here if we type like 100, oh sorry, the I mean to check whether the given integers are multiple of 5 and multiple of 10, I forgot to add that, and multiple of 10, yeah. So basically here uh so 10 is the multiple of 5, isn't it, and 100 is the multiple of, like, 10. So yeah, so here we are basically gonna write 10 or 100, or you could also type any random number you would like, and it will like when we write the code, it's basically gonna print out if it's like if it's a multiple of 5, or if it's not a multiple of 5, or if it's the multiple of 10, or if it's not the multiple of 10. So yeah, so in order to do that, obviously we gotta write two if statements. So let's get started. Alright, so int num modulus 10, modulus 5, I mean, sorry, why did yeah, I got confused by here. So modulus 5 equals 0 if num modulus 5 equals 0, then system, just like write with me, all right, and try to understand what I'm saying. So system dot out dot println, and then we're basically just gonna write enter. Oh, sorry, I mean um the the number yeah, the number, and then we're gonna basically write plus num, and then we are gonna write another one plus, and then this one, and then we're gonna write the text inside of it, and then we're gonna write the number, like for example 10 is or like for example, yeah, number 10 is a multiple of 5, and then we're gonna be writing else else number is system dot out dot print ln, and don't worry about this, I'm just gonna be fixing it real quick. So system dot out dot print ln, I'm gonna write the number. For example, let's write the number, no, never mind, a number like I mean the user that he or she will provide. So the number plus num plus, inside of it we're gonna write is not a multiple of 5. Well, instead of just writing it like over again just like I did, you can just like copy paste it if that's what you want. But like if you just want to like learn faster and like understand better, so yeah, you can basically just like do it like this. So if num modulus 5 equals 0, so basically this is, so this class I'm just gonna be like doing it, I'm basically just gonna like like teach it to you guys. So basically this one was the like I was practicing before, so I'm just checking like what is this error. If num modulus 5 equals 0, oh yeah, I definitely forgot about this. So yeah, this double equals 2. So yeah, and if you don't know what this means, you can basically go check it down in the description below. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna remove this because it's causing error. So if num modulus 5 equals 0, system dot println and etc. Now same thing goes here. Now instead of writing like this same thing here over again, but just changing it a little bit for the multiple of 10, let's just copy paste it, like just to save time. All right, so if num so yeah, so we're gonna write it, so we're basically just gonna copy paste this, and then we're basically just gonna write all of this back again outside of these curly braces of the else. Oh sorry, I mean outside of which curly brace, wait, let me check which one this. Oh, so it's ending over here, and it's so yeah. So if num2, wait a sec. If num2 modulus 10 equals 0, um, yeah. So yeah, yeah, if num2 modulus 10, so why are we like doing it with modulus? Because the modulus lets you know like the remainder. So like for example, if you do like modulus 5, so it's gonna tell us like 0. So if it is actually like the remainder is 0, then it's gonna print it is the multiple of 5. So yeah, if like you were confused about that, so I just explained it right now. So if num2 modulus 10 equals 0, and then we're gonna just change the text a little bit. So plus num2 is a multiple of 10. and then the number plus num plus num2 again, because like we created two different variables including like num and then num2. And then now we're just gonna run this, and also wait, I'm just gonna create the space. And it's also like crucial, like very important to put these spaces, or else like look what's gonna happen if you don't put these spaces. So let's just run the code. So for example, enter the first number 5 and then enter second number 100. The number 5, look, it looks so weird, right? Like the number 5 is a multiple of 5. The number 100 is like 100 is like, what is this? 100 is a multiple of 10. Like it looks very weird, right? So yeah, so there's a technique for that. Just add space over here, add space over here, and add space. So now once you do that, I'm just gonna show you what it does. It's gonna do the magic 10 and then 100. Now look, it's so clean, the answer. The number 10 is a multiple of 5. Literally anybody can read it, including me. Number 100 is a multiple of 10, and the number 10 is a multiple of 5. And don't worry, it works with any number. So for example, if you write, for example, I don't know, like 6543 for the first one, and then the second number, you just write like 230. Then it's gonna write the number 6543 is not a multiple of 5, obviously. Now the number 230 is a multiple of 10, because 23 times 10 equals 230. So yeah, it works with any number. And yeah, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this tutorial, which was very simple to make, and you can also make it like within 5 or 6 minutes yourself, which is pretty cool. Like just do import scanner. It basically, this code is filled with if and scanner. And if you want to avoid like using this if like these if statements and else statements like two times, you can basically use the case method that like literally like everybody uses to avoid using a lot of if statements. And if you want to use the case like method, so yeah, so the case statement. So yeah, if you want to use it, then I will also be linking that down in the description below. So make sure to check it out, those 3 videos, which will help you a lot in programming in Java. And yeah, guys, that was it. So I hope you liked it, and have a nice day. Bye.